Dear students, welcome to Government Junior College Bikaner in MSc PS Physics. I think few students are from our college, but maximum students are from outside. First of all, I give my introduction. My name is Dr. Arvind Sharma, Associate Professor in Physics. I have 25 years teaching experience and I am continue in this profession from 1 November 1995. I teach in MSc previous the paper Third Quantum Mechanics. Quantum Mechanics syllabus for University MGS University Bikaner is approximately like other universities, but students are very necessary to familiar with the syllabus and marking scheme of the examination. First of all, we go through the marking scheme of examination of MGS University Bikaner in MSc previous. The marking scheme is same as in UG classes, but just I revise it because it is a necessary part when you start studying. What is the marking scheme? Your paper have maximum marks 75 times 3 hours. Your paper is divided in 3 parts: section A, section B and section C. In section A, there are 10 questions from 5 units, that means 2 questions from each unit. All questions are compulsory and each question shall be of 2 marks. That means section A of total 20 marks. Section B contains 5 questions, 2 from each unit. Internal choice. Each question shall be of 5 marks. The candidate is required to answer all 5 questions. That means section B contains 25 marks. And section C. Section C contains 5 questions, 1 question from each unit. Each question shall be of 10 marks. Candidates is required to answer any 3 questions. That means section C contains 30 marks. That means first section 20 marks, second section 25 marks, and third section is 30 marks. Overall is 75 marks. There is also condition of word limit. That is very necessary because your marking scheme or evaluation is based on that system. Section A, answer should not exceed 50 words. Students, note that these are very important. Word limit is very important part because that is conditional and the evaluation is according to word limit. Section A question answer should not exceed 50 marks. And question of section B, the answer should not exceed 200 words. And section C, the answer should not exceed 500 words. Overall, if you think about that, how many words you are compulsory to answer the paper. Section A, 10 questions, 50 words, 500 words. That means section A, total 500 words. Section B, 5 questions, 200 words, that means 1000 words. And section C, 3 questions of 500 words, that means 1500 words. That means section A, 500 words, section B, 1000 words, and section C, 1500 words. That means total words are 3000 words. This point is very important to notice. The students does not concentrate or know about that thing, that how much expansion of your answer is possible. You must know that you just answer your all questions approximately 3000 words. Should not exceed, but there is some approximations, because when teacher evaluates you, we just see the words approximately. So if your words are approximately 3200, then it's okay, but not very much more or very much less. It's very important for you that your answer should be according to word limit. If you concentrate on this part, then you can get more marks, and this kind of preparation helps in your future when you go for competitive exam like RS and ICS, where word limit is a very important and essential part, and the examiners at the time of evaluation very deeply evaluate according to word limit. In your university exams, it's not necessary that evaluation is very much according to word limit, but if you follow the things and if you are prepare about competitions in future, then if you just start from your PG classes, and if you are very familiar or if you are very easy to do this, then you are very comfortable about word limit when you are answering any question. So students, you are very careful about that. Your answer should be according to word limit. Now, what is your syllabus for this class? I again alert you that you should remember the syllabus. In my opinion, if a student does not remember the syllabus, then he can't answer the questions.